You do though. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to be doing sad moans today. Arzonos, thank you for the sub. Welcome to the Cringe Empire. Blah blah. Alright, let's do a sad moan, Shuddy. The fuck? Does it sound accurate? Does it sound like an accurate sad moan? That sounds like bad It sounds like bad sex. Dude, I'm pretty sure bad sex sounds like this. Alright, let me show you what it sounds like. Oh fuck, let me close this. Alright, Shadi, here's what bad sex sounds like. Are you done yet? Yeah, if you don't mind, I'm just gonna like scroll on Reddit on my phone, I guess. My god, that's such a funny cat picture. I'm pretty sure that's what bad sex sounds like, chatties.